the future of warfare, inside Ukraine's high-tech battlefront. Come closer. Meet Robo-Dog. She doesn't bark, she doesn't bite. But if you're an enemy on the battlefield, she can do far worse than nip your ankle. This mechanical marvel is one of the many futuristic weapons being deployed by Ukraine's most cutting-edge combat unit, nicknamed the Billionaire's Brigade. Unlike my own Greyhound, Robo-Dog is obedient to a fault. She follows orders with precision, never tires, and never hesitates. In this gripping two-part series, we venture deep into Ukraine's front line to witness how technology is revolutionizing modern warfare. The Billionaire's Brigade. The Billionaire's Brigade isn't your typical territorial defense unit. It's a force that operates more like a futuristic special ops team. Officially known as the 13th Khartia Brigade of the National Guard of Ukraine, it was founded and privately funded in 2022 by one of the country's wealthiest businessmen, Seod Kosimo. This elite force doesn't just fight, it innovates. They don't follow Soviet-era tactics, but instead embrace NATO strategies. Every assault is planned with meticulous precision, using three-dimensional printed battlefield models and advanced software simulations. They're a unit that blends science, technology, and combat in ways the world has never seen before. Be sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons now to help us produce more videos like this. I'm making 3 videos every week, and you don't want to miss them. Thanks. Now let's continue. This is no simulation. What you are about to witness is a real combat operation from 2024, conducted deep within the forests northeast of Kharkiv. Every move is planned. Every strategy is executed with precision. Under the cover of darkness, the assault troops gather, their GoPro cameras capturing every moment. As the first light of dawn breaks, the attack begins. Ukrainian armored units advance, guided by drones overhead. Artillery fire erupts. It's the moment of truth. All-out battle ensues as forces clash with unyielding intensity. The air is thick with the sound of gunfire and explosions. Every soldier knows what's at stake. The future of Ukraine hangs in the balance. Bullets fly. Grenades explode. This isn't just another skirmish. This is an all-out battle for control of the region. The Russians fight back, launching Grad rockets into the dense forest. The air is thick with smoke and tension. Ukrainian drones hover above, relaying real-time intelligence, while the troops push forward. The outcome? A decisive Ukrainian victory. More than 60 enemy casualties, a howitzer destroyed, an anti-tank position obliterated, the Russians forced into retreat. But this brigade isn't just about elite soldiers. It's about the machines that fight alongside them. Ground drones, robotic warriors, are already being deployed on the battlefield. These are not experimental prototypes. They are fully operational, changing the way battles are fought. We visit a secret underground workshop in Kharkiv, where young programmers, engineers, and former gamers work tirelessly to develop these machines. This is not the future of war. This is happening now. Pan, a 26-year-old deputy commander and former molecular biologist, was on the verge of starting a PhD in Germany before the war began. Now, he's using his knowledge of evolution to develop smarter, deadlier war machines. But among all these machines, one stands out, the eerie, almost lifelike Robo-Dog. In repose, she looks like an oven-ready chicken, motionless and unassuming. But then her green eye flickers to life. She awakens. This quadrupedal robot wasn't built in Ukraine, but adapted from a commercial Chinese model. The Billionaire's Brigade has repurposed her for battlefield reconnaissance. Armed with a high-definition camera, Robo-Dog can sneak through enemy lines, transmitting real-time intelligence back to her operators. There have been reports that both the US Marines and the Chinese military have experimented with arming similar robotic dogs with weapons. While Ukraine has not officially confirmed such deployments, one can only imagine the possibilities. As we head to the outskirts of Kharkiv, we see these robotic warriors in action. A convoy of battle drones rolls across the terrain, each programmed for a specific task. One lays anti-tank mines with surgical precision. Another, fitted with a machine gun, moves with calculated lethality. They don't question orders. These machines don't fear, they don't hesitate, and they don't question orders. I'm given the chance to take control of one of these ground drones, a fast, nimble unit that can carry supplies, evacuate the wounded, or, if necessary, self-destruct in a kamikaze attack against enemy positions. It's thrilling, it's terrifying. This is the reality of 21st century warfare. Scene 1, Russian missile strike. Time code 00:0:50:00:00:03:00:00:000. Even as we marvel at these technological wonders, the war rages on around us. Smoke billows in the distance from a Russian missile strike on Kharkiv. Along the tree line, an anti-drone unit waits for nightfall, ready to intercept the next wave of enemy UAVs. Their weapon of choice? A decades-old anti-aircraft gun, proof that in war, both old and new technologies must work together. Time code 0307-0314. As we pack up, Robo-Dog gives us one final performance. She responds to commands, mimicking the obedience of a real canine. But there's something unsettling about her. Perhaps it's the realization that warfare is evolving faster than we ever imagined. Today, Robo-Dog is just a scout. Tomorrow, she could be something much more lethal. The line between man and machine on the battlefield is blurring. And in the end, it won't be just about who has the bravest soldiers. It will be about who has the smartest machines. Stay tuned for part 2, where we spend a night in a vampire crypt, witness the daring rescue of a disabled tank, and take cover from a deadly Russian drone attack. The future of warfare is here, and it's only just beginning. Be sure to like and subscribe to help us produce more videos like this. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for part 2, where we spend a night in a vampire crypt, witness the daring rescue of a disabled tank, and take cover from a deadly Russian drone attack. The future of warfare is here, and it's only just beginning. Be sure to like and subscribe to help us produce more videos like this. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next